Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen. Kitchen. Over the summer, our stores seem to quit carrying Soy Vay teriyaki sauce, and it just happens to be one of my favorite brands of marinating sauces. So I decided to make my own. It's not difficult, it only requires a few ingredients and about 20 minutes on the stovetop, so let's get started. Obviously, we're going to need some soy sauce. Now, I prefer the light soy sauce in this particular recipe just simply because it's less salty. Feel free to use whatever soy sauce you like. Also, if you need gluten-free, you would use tamari, which is generally a gluten-free soy sauce. We'll also need dry or golden cherry, either will work, just not anything sweet, along with 1.5 cups of white granulated sugar. I don't use honey in this recipe because honey does add a different flavor, and I think the sugar works better. We're also going to need about 2 bulbs of garlic. Now, this is kind of small, so if you have gigantic bulbs of garlic, probably just 1.5. And for this particular recipe, I think it works best to be pulped through a garlic press rather than just minced. The same with the ginger, which is why I've purchased it in the jar. We'll also need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. All of this is just going in a saucepan on the stovetop to simmer for about 20 minutes. That'll allow it to reduce down and thicken up until it's nice and syrupy. I am bottling this hot, but it does need to come to room temperature or be refrigerated before you can use it. I have 2 cleaned and trimmed pork tenderloins. These I'm marinating for at least 3 days. Now I've marinated these for up to a week and the flavor is amazing. Just make sure you turn it once or twice throughout the marinating process. These are going on this 350-degree grill for about 30 minutes. I am turning halfway through. You can cook these in the oven at the same temperature for the same amount of time. You can of course eat that pork directly off the grill and it's fabulous. Although I do find myself making it more and more to top salads, which is what I'm doing today. So I'm starting with romaine lettuce with sliced onions and julienne carrots. Just for a little extra protein, I like to add pecans, plus I like the texture difference. And because fruit goes so well with pork, I like to add craisins. Although you don't have to add these if you don't want to, but I do like the sour flavor in there. In these salads, I like a mild white cheese. This is Munster, although I do like to use Havarti, feta, fresh mozzarella is good too, and so is queso fresco. And of course, our pork. This is also kind of julienne. I also like croutons on mine. And this is all getting topped with the balsamic Good Seasons vinaigrette. I will leave a link for the instructions for how to make this. All right, let's give this a taste and let's see if I can do this cleanly. All right, we'll get some pork and lettuce. Oh my heavens. There is so much flavor in that teriyaki sauce. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.